This is Bill Brother starting our digital inspection. We are on top of a tar and gravel roof over here at 154 Daisy Avenue in Imperial Beach. Again, we have a tar and gravel roofing material on this property. A lot of wear and tear on it. We got a bunch of old, unused satellite dishes, cables, cinder blocks that are going to need to be removed, but I want to point out a few things on this property. The first thing is the penetrations. We want to make sure that all the penetrations are sealed and flashed properly, especially when we are this close to the ocean. You can see the amount of rust and the amount of failure that's coming from all these penetrations. All the mastic and the sealant that was used to seal this off has completely worn through. Water and moisture is going to be getting down this pipe every single time it rains. Same thing over here with some of these tubes as well. We can see all the cracks and the damage that has been done. So all those will need to be reflashed and resealed. Over here we have a bunch of repairs that have been done. You can see all the mastic that was plopped on this area just to kind of stop any kind of water from intruding. But we can see a lot of that mastic and those temporary fixes have started to fail. The oils have evaporated from these repairs, and you can see how everything is starting to crack. Water and moisture is going to be getting down to this every single time it rains. So I would imagine that there's going to be some plywood damage along the edges, just because a lot of water is probably getting underneath this drip edge metal. That's something that we'll have to wait and see when we tear off the roof. We never know how much water damage there's going to be until this roofing material gets tore off. So again, this is a tar and gravel roofing material. The majority of the gravel is no longer adhering to the asphalt that was laid down when this roof was initially installed. So you can see all the fiberglass that has now been exposed. The gravel has depleted from the material. It has exposed the original decking. And once that waterproofing is affected due to the fiberglass being exposed, that is when it's a telltale sign to replace the roof. So in my professional opinion, this roof does need to be replaced. What I would suggest doing is eliminating this tar and gravel material and upgrading this to a TPO material. TPO is a commercial flat roofing material that we use for essentially all of our flat roofs. What it does is it turns this entire roof plane into one singular membrane. That material was initially brought on as somewhat of a pool liner, so it's extremely water resistant. The nice thing with the material as well is that it's very highly reflective as well. So it's gonna cool down all the units that are underneath this roof. A lot of times the units that are directly underneath the flat roof are the ones that get the hottest, especially during the summertime, so we want to help that out. And then it's algae resistant as well. That material does come with a 20-year warranty to go along with our 10-year workmanship warranty, and our workers love to install it because they never have to come back for any warranty work. But yes, in my professional opinion, this roof does need to be replaced, and I'm suggesting that we replace it with a TPO roofing material. That's it for my inspection.